Magandang hapon po ng Monday, November 20, 2023 at ito po ang mga resulta ng 5pm digit games na 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5pm result ngayong hapon ng Monday, November 20, 2023. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5pm. 3D Lotto 5pm result ngayong hapon ng November 20, 2023 Monday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5pm. 'See you again later for 9pm result of Grand Lotto 655, Mega Lotto 645, 4D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for Monday, November 20, 2023. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Grand Lotto 655 is 29.7 million pesos and Mega Lotto 645 jackpot price estimates is 26 million pesos for November 20, 2023, Monday. Thank you for watching this 5pm video for Monday, November 20, 2023. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.